Every life transition comes with challenges and uncertainties, especially when it involves your finances. Whether it's after a divorce, a career change, or any other fresh start, it's normal to feel lost and overwhelmed. But here's something important. You are not alone, and there are ways to rebuild your financial life, no matter what happened in the past. In this video, we will explore how to identify and let go of financial habits that no longer serve you. Reprogram your mindset to see opportunities, and implement practical strategies to create a more stable and secure future. Now is the time to restart with confidence. You deserve a financial future that reflects your strength and resilience. Let's take the first step together to transform your finances and build the life you desire. Reassess your financial habits. Transitions, such as divorce or a career change, offer the opportunity to reassess not only your plans for the future, but also the financial habits you've maintained up until now. These habits, often shaped by previous circumstances, may no longer align with your new reality and, if left unchecked, can hinder your progress. Here are some common examples. Emotional spending to relieve stress. During uncertain times, it's natural to seek comfort through impulse purchases, dining out, or treating yourself to small gifts. While they bring immediate satisfaction, these expenses can drain important resources for the future, such as an emergency fund or investments. Avoiding finances out of fear or insecurity. Many women avoid reviewing their finances out of fear of facing debt or past mistakes. This can lead to a cycle of inertia, where financial problems pile up and anxiety increases. Recognizing that this is common is the first step to breaking this pattern. Maintaining an unsustainable lifestyle. After major changes, it can be challenging to adjust your lifestyle to a new financial reality. Trying to maintain the same previous standard can lead to overuse of credit or a lack of savings. Adapting is essential to avoid debt and build a solid foundation. Ask yourself, am I spending to ease temporary emotions? Have I avoided looking at my accounts out of fear? Is my current lifestyle aligned with my actual income? These questions will help you separate what truly matters from what isn't contributing to your financial well-being. Reprogram your mindset. Changing financial habits starts with a new way of looking at money. During life transitions, it's common to carry limiting beliefs that make building a new reality more difficult. To restart with confidence, it's crucial to reprogram your mindset and adopt a growth perspective. Many women believe phrases like, "I've never been good with money. I can't save with the little I earn. Financial planning is too complicated for me." These beliefs, often inherited or reinforced by past experiences, can block your progress. Replace these thoughts with affirmations such as, "I am capable of learning and improving my relationship with money." Small steps can lead to big changes. Celebrate each achievement, no matter how small it may seem. Saving $50 in a week or reviewing your bills is already a significant accomplishment. Practical strategies to start over. Now that you've identified habits to change and begun reprogramming your mindset, it's time to take action. Here are simple and effective steps to build a solid financial restart. 1. Assess your financial situation. The first step is to understand exactly where you stand financially. Conduct a detailed assessment. List all sources of income, including jobs, pensions, or benefits. Record your fixed and variable expenses. Identify debts and their interest rates. View this process as an opportunity for clarity, not as a burden. Knowing your reality is empowering. 2. Create a budget with clear goals. An effective budget is more than just cutting expenses. It reflects your priorities and brings you closer to your goals. Prioritize necessities. Ensure housing, food, and transportation are covered. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions or control impulse purchases. Include financial goals. Allocate a portion for savings or investments. For example, commit to saving 10% of your monthly income. 3. Stabilize your income and create opportunities. Times of transition require flexibility in how you earn money. Consider exploring options such as freelance work on online platforms, selling items you no longer use on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, taking courses to improve your skills and increase your earning potential. Financial stability comes when your income covers your expenses and still allows you to save for the future. 4. Build an emergency fund. One of the pillars of a financial restart is creating a reserve for unexpected situations. Start by saving the equivalent of 1 month's fixed expenses and gradually work toward covering 3 to 6 months. 5. Strategically pay off debts. Paying off debts consistently and systematically is key. Prioritize high-interest debts, such as credit cards. Consider options for renegotiation or consolidation. Celebrate each debt paid off as a victory. This helps maintain focus and motivation. 6. Ask for help when you need it. Starting over can be challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Seek help from financial advisors or connect with support groups for women. Share your experiences in the comments. Our community can provide ideas and encouragement. Take inspiration from my friend Sarah's story. After her divorce, she faced financial challenges with $15,000 in credit card debt and an unstable income. She started by organizing her finances, renegotiating her debts, and saving 10% of her monthly income. In 2 years, Sarah paid off her debts, built an emergency fund, and began investing in her future. In this video, we covered how to identify financial habits, reprogram your mindset, adopt practical strategies to rebuild. Here are 3 simple actions to start today. 1. Review your finances and choose one habit to change. 2. Pick one strategy from this video and put it into practice this week. 3. Share in the comments which habit you're changing and how it can impact your financial life. Remember, no rush, no pause. One step at a time, and you'll get there. If you enjoyed this content, check out our Financial Restart playlist to keep learning. I hope you found this helpful, and see you in the next video.